Creating data model diagrams in MySQL Workbench. What is MySQL Workbench? Software application that contains tools for creating and managing databases using the MySQL database engine. Creating a new data model diagram. Open MySQL Workbench by clicking Start, go to All Programs, then to MySQL, and MySQL Workbench. You will see the following window. Click on their New Model button, the plus sign, next to Models. The following window will open. Double-click on their Add Diagram icon. The following window will open. Creating entities. To create new entities in your drawing, first, click on the New Table button. Then, you will see a new table entity show up. Since MySQL is a relational database management system, entities in MySQL Workbench are called tables. Naming and adding attributes to entities. First, when you double-click on an entity in the drawing, you will notice that it becomes selected. And the panel at the bottom of the window will reflect the properties of the selected entity. To set the name of an entity, click in the name text box and type in a name for the entity. To add attributes to your entity, click in the gray area under the column. A finished site entity might look like the following. Creating relationships. Before you create a relationship between two entities, you need to first create a primary key for each entity. You can then create a relationship by first clicking on the desired type of relationship on the toolbar. You will notice that the relationship is created and a foreign key is added to the child table. Next, if you double-click on the relationship, its properties will be shown in the panel at the bottom of the window. Saving and exporting diagram. When you finish your model, you will want to save it and then export it as an image, so you can paste it into a Word document as an appendix. Click the File menu, and then click Save Model. Select where you want to save your model file, give it a name, and then click Save. Export as PNG. Select where you want to save your PNG file, give it a name, and then click Save. You can then insert the PNG file into a Word document, PowerPoint, or email it to a coworker.
Created using Powtoon.